This is the third of our introductory videos in our Perfect PA training video series. We strongly recommend that you view the whole of this video before moving on to the detailed Perfect PA functionality videos which follow this one. This video is about Perfect PA's structure and the found set of records. It is important to understand the top-down structure and relationships between contacts and businesses within Perfect PA. Within Perfect PA, every contact can be related to any number of businesses, and any business can have any number of contacts associated with it. Every contact or business has a top-level contact type or business type, where only one option can be selected, A or B or C, etc. Customer, supplier, prospect, suspect, perhaps. In addition to standard name, address, telephone numbers, email addresses, and other similar fields, every contact or business has a large number of fields into which data can be entered and whose field names can be defined by the user. There are 18 business user fields arranged into two groups of 9 fields, and 45 contact user fields arranged into 5 groups of 9 fields. Each user field can be named by the user for the specific requirements of his or her business model, or other data recording needs, and each group of 9 user fields can be named. You can also allocate any number of categories, or user-definable characteristics, to each contact or business using the Marketing tab, or by first using a flag field to select records and then assigning a category to each one with a simple button-driven routine. The data held in the user fields will be of a semi-permanent nature, but it can change. For instance, a child's weight might be 45 kilos now, but in a year's time it might become 55 kilos. We recommend the use of categories or characteristics for data of a permanent nature. Examples are: a person's hobbies are unlikely to change. Once interested in football, for instance, always interested. A person being a recipient of an email campaign you sent out last year, or a Christmas card perhaps, is a fact that will never change. But you might want to know this when selecting recipients for your next campaign or this year's Christmas card. It is also vital that you understand the concept of the found set of records. The found set is a set of one or more records, for example contacts, businesses, communications, invoices, and so on, upon which you wish to perform some actions, for instance merely viewing them, editing them, assigning categories, or sending a letter or mail shot. If you have just one record in the found set, the sort of thing you might be doing is writing a letter or creating an email or adjusting the data in some way. If you've got a found set of more than one record, a large set of records, or maybe just 2 records, you can operate on these records at the same time. So you might be applying a given characteristic to each one of the records in the found set, or you might be sending a mail shot. Let us look at the Contact Screen Work Address tab. We click on Contacts here, and we open up Contacts, and the highlighted tab is the one that we are on, in this case the Work tab, showing the Contact's work address. Within each screen of Perfect PA, you will see in the top right-hand corner a device which allows you to scroll through every record within your found set of records. If you want to operate on or scroll through every record in your database, you may use the Show All button. In this case, we have used it already, and we have a total number of records 14, and we're looking at record number 1 in the found set of 14. Use these tabs here to scroll through the records, or go to the first one here, or the last one here, record 14 of 14. You can see this device at the top right hand corner of almost every screen in Perfect PA. When looking at a found set of more than one record, there are techniques allowing you to sort the records into a meaningful order, alphabetic perhaps. More of this in a later video. The remaining videos are each of about 2 to 3 minutes duration and take you through every feature of Perfect PA in detail. In our next video, we show you the 4 menu screens and describe the buttons within them. And the following 4 videos take you through the preferences that are available. Following these are videos on each of the features.